So this is DIY with Donna, and this video is going to be on comparing facial hair removal products. I'm going to compare face hair razor or trimmer compared to wax strips. The environment in which I'm talking about is like your chin and neck area. So I'm going to go over ease of use, the cost of the product, and the benefits and disadvantages of each. So to start with, the wax strips. Basically what you would have to do is peel the strip apart, and it has the gel in between the two. And then you just place it over the area of the unwanted hair, like on your chin. Press down on it and then strip away quickly. And so that's how you would use it. The cost can vary. I mean, you can get wax strips for as low as $3 to $5 online, and that would be about 40 strips to 100 strips. So it's relatively inexpensive. As far as the benefits of using wax strips, I think, for me, using them, it lasts a little bit longer than the trimmer or the razor. It lasts for about 3 to 5 days when you pull the hair using the strips. Clean up, you just throw the strips away when you're finished utilizing. And it does well on hair that is not gray. I do seem to have a problem when I'm using the strips that the gray hairs usually are harder to pull out as opposed to the dark hair that I have that grows on my chin sometimes. The disadvantage is you have that gel after you've utilized the strips. You have to clean it up. And they do come with this smelling cloth to clean it up, but the gel is so sticky, I kind of don't like that on my chin. And you have to use multiple strips, because it only does a small area at a time. And again, it leaves the gray hair on your chin and your neck, usually for some reason. It'll do fine with the darker hair or the non-gray hair, but it does leave the gray hair there. Now for the hair removal razor or trimmer. The way that you would use it, make sure it's charged up, and then just roll over the unwanted hairs on your chin and neck. So it's relatively easy to use. The cost can vary. Again, you can buy online. The cheaper ones are like $4 to $7. I know there's a lot more expensive ones, but the one I compared was less than $7. The benefits, you don't have that sticky gel on your chin after you utilize it. And it gets all types of hair. You might have to roll it over the gray once or twice, but it will eventually take the gray hair off. The disadvantage is it doesn't last long. I can kind of feel hair growing back within a day or two, or maybe even hours after I've utilized it. But it's okay to use it every day, but it does not last that long. When you're trimming the hair in that manner. Clean up. You have to take the device apart and use the little brush to clean it up. But it gets all the hairs off of what you're using. So in conclusion, I actually use both of them. I do like the strips because it lasts longer. So, I definitely would recommend that if you don't want to be trimming the hairs off every day. But again, I do use both of them, because sometimes the strips don't get all of the hair. But for, long lasting, I'm saying 3 to 5 days, the strips are the one, and the cost is basically similar. Again, I think there are better trimmers, a little bit more expensive, but kind of staying in the same area of cost, less than $7 for the trimmer and less than $7 for the strips. The strips will last a little bit longer after you utilize it. So Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think or what you guys use, and talk to you next time.